Hey guys, welcome back to Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. Today I'm doing something a little different. I'm going to show you my grandmother's vintage antique jewelry. When she passed away, my aunt got all this jewelry, and what she didn't want, she gave to us. So it's probably not the most expensive, but it might be like costume jewelry. So we have this necklace. It's definitely a statement piece. And this is what the chain looks like. But I like this. If you have like a V-neck shirt, this would look really pretty. And it's kind of like enamel and gold. It hasn't changed, you know, it still looks gold. But I don't think it's really good. So we got that one. Then we have this, which I haven't looked at it in a while, so it's kind of like all new to me. It has like a lighthouse and water and blue and white. Okay, so this is what the inside looks like. I guess you could put a lock of hair or a little treasure in there. And then this is what the back looks like. And the chain. A nice chain. And nothing's changed as far as coloring and stuff. So I like that one. Then we have this brooch, which is a gold butterfly. It's super pretty. Sometimes if I see a name on the back, I'll try to look it up and see like the history of the company. But a lot of these don't have names because I think they're costume. So this one is super cute. It's like an owl, and he's got green eyes. It's gold, and its body moves because it's like separated. And this is what the chain looks like. I don't know that I've checked these out to see if any of them are gold. I think I just assumed they weren't. But, you know, they belong to my grandmother, and she's no longer with me, so I don't know that I would sell anything anyway. Super cute. Then this is another brooch. She always went to church. So she always went to church, and she would wear these brooches on like her jacket or her dress. Sorry about the fire alarm. It's beeping. So there's a name there, BSK, I guess. So I'll have to look that up sometime. So that one's pretty. She always wore clip-ons because she didn't have her ears pierced. So these are pretty. And I hadn't thought of really wearing these because I have my ears pierced. But maybe I will put these on sometime. Then we have these clip-ons. This does have a name on it. Pierre Cardin. So there are those earrings. It looks like it's a little discolored, some of them. Needs a good cleaning maybe. Those are cute. And we have this brooch. It's a little rose. And it says Staffordshire, England. And it has a crown at the top. So that's really pretty. And then here is a necklace with an F on it. Her name started with an F. Now this necklace I thought was so pretty, but I also thought it was cute how organized she was, and she had the earrings clipped on to the necklace. See how this is a clip-on earring? So she was trying to keep it together. I got that, and then this is the other earring. So that's cute. She was organized. And I don't know if there's a name on here. I do see a name. But I think I'd have to get a magnifying glass. So those are cute. That's a cute little fancy earrings and necklace. I like that. So we have these pearl earrings. They almost look like peach. They're clip-ons. So we have both pair of those. So we have this pearl bracelet, and it has like diamonds on it. Kind of looks like it might have been repaired, which is so cute. Because this side, let's see. This side looks like it's been fixed. So she tied on it broke, so she tied it onto that pearl there. So cute. So I love this. Beautiful. And I don't really see a name on the back. There's like a little stamp, but I don't know what it says. And we have this watch. And it's a bull. Let's see. Bulova. So it's stretchy. I like this. I actually remember her wearing this watch. So it's so little. It's like their watches. So here's another one. And I think it's the same brand. Bulova. It's really cute. I heard that she had a friend that worked at a jewelry store. She got her some deals, I think, sometimes. Okay, so then we have this necklace. It's beaded, and it has little lemons, limes, maybe apples and oranges. That's really cute and fun. I like this one. And then I have this necklace that is like, you hang it around your neck like it's open. And it has little beaded flowers on it. And it has like a fringed on each side. So I guess you would just kind of like rope, like make a little knot at the end. So I love that. And that's all I have in this box. I think I have a few other things that were kind of expensive that I just put in a separate place. But I just thought I'd share my grandmother's antique vintage jewelry. I know a lot of people love jewelry. And a lot of you probably know more about this jewelry than I do. And some people like costume jewelry, so I just thought I would share with you my grandmother's collection. I have a lot of jewelry too, and my mother has a lot of jewelry. So it must run in the family that we love jewelry, you know. We love all kinds of jewelry. So thank you for watching. Subscribe if you're new. And have a great day.